Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check if a string is empty in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your Power Automate dashboard. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen and click on Create. This will open up various flow creation options that Power Automate offers for building automations. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to manually trigger an automation or run it on demand, rather than having it execute on a schedule. Next, you'll see a trigger selection screen. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point, then click Create to proceed. This establishes the foundation for your automation and allows you to build out the logic step by step. Now click the plus icon to add a new action. In the search bar that appears, type Initialize Variable and click on it when it shows up. This action lets you create a variable that will hold your string value for testing. Give your variable a meaningful name so you can easily identify it later. Then click the Type drop-down menu and select String from the list. This defines what kind of data your variable will store. In the Value field, you have two options. You can either input a text value to test with a populated string, or leave it completely blank to simulate an empty string scenario. Choose whichever fits your testing needs. Click the plus icon again and search for Compose, then click on it. The Compose action allows you to reference and work with your variable in the next steps. In the Input field of the Compose action, click the lightning bolt icon to open the Dynamic Content panel. From there, click on the name of the variable you just created. This pulls your variable into the Compose action for processing. Now click the plus icon once more and search for Condition, then click it. The Condition action is where you'll actually perform the check to determine if your string is empty or not. In the first field of the condition, type empty open parentheses variables open parentheses single quote close parentheses close parentheses. Inside the single quotes, type the exact name of the variable you created earlier. This expression checks whether your variable contains any value or is completely empty. Click Add to move to the next part of the condition. In the third field, type true and click Add again. This sets up the logic that will execute when the condition evaluates to true, meaning the string is indeed empty. Under the true branch, click the plus icon and search for Compose, then click it. In the input field, type input is empty. This message will display whenever your string variable contains no value. Now repeat the same process for the false branch. Click the plus icon, search for Compose and click it. In this input field, type input is not empty. This message will appear when your variable actually contains text or characters. At this point, your flow is ready to test. You can now run and save your automation to see the results based on whether your string is empty or populated. And that's it. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that checks if a string is empty. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.